Our fleet consists of 300 Ford E450 Super Duties that run paratransit service throughout the state of Delaware. Of those 300 buses, 165 currently run on propane autogas. In 2014, we were approached by our local propane provider, and they tried to convince us to switch our fleet over to propane. We ran that pilot for almost 2 years, and we experienced absolutely no breakdowns, no fuel-related issues.
Financially, fuel is one of the biggest expenses we face at a transit agency. By switching to propane autogas, we've been able to reduce our fuel costs on our propane fleet by over 50%.
So the decision was made to expand the fleet, and we added 50 buses at a time in 2016, 2017, and 60 more in 2018 to get where we are now at the 165. Our plan is to expand our propane autogas to include all 300 of our buses.
And with a fleet of over 300 buses, when we're fully equipped with autogas, we'll save over $1.8 million a year. The fuel savings from autogas pays for the capital reinvestment within the first year. We're receiving direct savings to our operating budget. We have 4 fueling stations throughout the state. 3 of our locations have propane autogas. We install 2 2,000-gallon tanks initially at those sites.
Each one of our maintenance facilities, we employ 2 refuelers.
Our technicians pick up every bus at night, bring them through a fueling line, check the fluids, fuel the buses, wash the buses. But once we trained our employees on how to fuel the vehicles, they've actually found it safer and more convenient than traditional fueling of a gasoline vehicle. But with the quick connect on the bus, it is seamless for them, it's safe, we don't have spills like we used to have with gasoline. The other benefit to the autogas versus maybe some other options is there's no other infrastructure changes we need to do to our maintenance facilities.
Sharp Energy is fantastic to work with. All of their tanks have telematics. We don't ever have to check a gauge. We don't ever have to tell them when the tanks are getting low. They automatically know when they need to be refilled, and they come do it without being asked. Service-wise, they're available 24/7. If we have a breakdown of any of their equipment, they have a service technician here within an hour. They get us up and running. They have spare parts available at all times.
Other municipal fleets should not be afraid to look at autogas as a solution for their fleets. It is safe, it's convenient, it's cost savings. It also provides an environmental benefit over gasoline or diesel that the public will also benefit from.
The simplicity of it is so simple, it's so safe. It's spill-proof, it's hazard-proof, it's almost idiot-proof. It's very convenient, and it's very economical.